Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY. I'm actually trying this for the first time. A DIY I'm about to try for cleaning teeth. Because like I was saying in the last videos that I've made, I was trying to tell you guys that most of this brand name things are just scam to me. Because I mean, like, I'm just saying from my experience, if you have any product you've used and it's literally like what they say it is, can you just recommend it? However, today we're gonna go ahead with this DIY and I hope you like it. But before we get into that, I would like you to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification button, the like button, smash that like button, guys. And leave a comment down below, recommendations or whatever you would like me to do or to make a video on. Alright, because I found out most of you guys like to watch my video but you don't want to subscribe to my channel. What is you doing, baby? What is you doing? Subscribe. Alright, let's get into this shit. Okay. So as you can see, I'm in my PJ. I'm about to go to sleep right now. But before that, I have to brush my teeth. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to prepare this DIY teeth brightening product. I don't know what to call it, but it does work. It literally just does work. Okay. So to do this, you need your salt, a baking powder or baking soda, Colgate toothpaste, your ginger, lemon, plate and spoon, and then with a knife. I'm gonna go ahead and I don't think I'm gonna use all of this ginger. I'm gonna go ahead and dice it. Not dice it. You know what I mean. And then peel it off. That's what I have. I'll cut it. Because I'm using the magic blender, I'm gonna add a little water to this. I'm not supposed to, but I just don't want to deal with the grater thing. You know, the thing you hold in. So this is just teeny weeny water. See, you won't even notice it. Just to help you blend. And there you have it. Like this. Get this out. Guys, tell me how you guys they are going in the comment down below. How are you coping with quarantine? What's keeping you going? Alright, I just need a juice. This is the juice that I have. Go ahead with some lemon juice. squeeze in some juice. The more the merrier, right? So we'll just try to add a little bit of salt. I'm going in with the baking powder. Oh, this is so small. Can you guys see that? It's literally foaming. And here goes Mr. Colgate toothpaste. Just stir it around and mix it well. This is crazy, right? You know, it's crazy how we waste our money. No, not waste, you know. Because I'm also a victim of this thing. We spend our money doing all this stuff, and turns out that we don't even need to. I think this is forming because I used the baking powder instead, but it doesn't matter. Oh, one thing that I forgot is a toothbrush. This is a new toothbrush. You don't want to use the same toothbrush that you use for regular day things. I would recommend you use a different toothbrush. So we're gonna go into this in just a second. Hey guys, I'm back with this finished product of mine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my teeth, guys. Let's get into this. You ready? I hope my teeth doesn't burn because I've not tried this before, but I saw this video on YouTube and I pretty much think it's gonna work. Why not? Just try it and see. Okay, let's do this. Look in here, I'm looking at a mirror, okay? Oh my god, you guys, look. Like my teeth, no. Hold on. Let me get done with that shit. Oh, dude. Guys, should I keep going? Because I like what I'm seeing. Hell no. See, I definitely know that my teeth, look, it's not bright white right now, But I know that my teeth is not this bright. Girl, no. I've been trying to get this another LED light to brighten whatever. I was gonna get it like, oh my god. Did you guys see this? So guys, I forgot to show you guys like my teeth, the color of my teeth before I actually try this out. However, I'm gonna try to see a picture of mine that has my teeth on it and try to compare it with right now. But trust me, I'm telling you all, this is not my teeth before this product. I'm not buying a multi-paste. What? I'm gonna give this a 1-week trial and see what happens. I think I made a lot today. I'm gonna give it a 1-week trial and see what happens, guys. This definitely I recommend for anyone out there that doesn't have the money to go get some you know, this bougie teeth treatment. Go get yourself some ginger, some lemon, baking soda, Colgate toothpaste, and get this going. Look at that. Look at that. It's not bright white. I know there's like, it's literally like night and day compared to before I used it. And yeah, you can go ahead and bash my teeth. I don't care. I'm trying to get it good. Okay? I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I am impressed. So if you want to try this out, go ahead and try this out and tell me your experience. This works. I literally feel like you know, the ginger taste. I love ginger, man. I can't even explain that feeling, but I can feel the ginger taste in it, like the burning sensation and some kind of tingly stuff. I think I added a lot of salt to it, and maybe a little bit much of the baking soda. However, you can go ahead and do it however you want. I like to go big. Don't blame me. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Do not forget to like, click on that subscribe button, and turn on your post notification button. That way you get notification each time I upload another video. And what else am I forgetting? Do not forget to leave a comment down below. Tell me what you recommend. Tell me how your experience with this whole trial thing. I am blown away. I'm definitely going to give this another try. At least 5 days trial. Let me just say that. The one I can keep. If it keeps going, this is gonna be my go-to teeth go. Oh my god. I cannot. This is so good. This is so good, guys. Go ahead again and again and again and try this out. You're not gonna regret it. I promise you that. Alright, this will be it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Peace.